Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is acclaim. It is pronounced acclaim, and it is spelt A-C-C-L-A-I-M. Think A and then the word claim, just with a double C. Acclaim means to praise enthusiastically and publicly. For example, you could say she was acclaimed as an excellent artist. Acclaim comes from the Latin word acclamare, meaning to cry out at. If you acclaim something today, you praise it publicly and loudly, like crying out in support. See the connection? Have you ever heard the term critically acclaimed, perhaps in reference to a film or a TV show? What do you think this means? If something is critically acclaimed, it is widely acclaimed or praised by critics. In other words, it is widely liked and highly rated. Can you think of any critically acclaimed films? According to Rotten Tomatoes, the top 5 critically acclaimed family movies of all time are Spider-Man, Into the Spider-Verse, Inside Out, Coco, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, and Paddington 2. Have you seen any of these films? Acclaim can be both a verb and a noun. For example, you could say the restaurant has been widely acclaimed for its excellent Italian cuisine. This uses the word acclaim as a verb. Or, since his last movie, the amazing actor had won national acclaim and many awards. This uses the word acclaim as a noun, meaning enthusiastic and public praise. Acclaim is defined in the dictionary as public approval and praise. Acclaim synonyms include praise, applause, cheers, commend, approval, admiration, and congratulate. Antonyms include criticize, unsung, and obscure. See if you can notice anything acclaimed today. Can you think of any people, movies, or places you would acclaim? Perhaps your favorite restaurant. Either way, impress your family by using your new word today, acclaim. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.